In the final 3 months of 2022, New Zealand's economy shrank faster than anticipated, placing it at risk of recession. Fast forward to today, if, as some experts believe, the economy doesn't grow during the current cyclone-affected quarter, the country will have entered a recession 6 months earlier than anticipated by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. It might lead to policymakers slowing the tightening process even more. And money markets are now putting in only a 50% chance of a rate increase at the meeting coming up on April 5th, down from 95%. When you factor in the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank in the US and the Credit Suisse Group, AG, in Switzerland, it further aids in the possibility that a reduced cut is expected. So what does that all mean for the New Zealand dollar? So let's go to the monthly chart. We have a pivot low. Here was the monthly demand, where there were monthly buyers. I'm going to go up and to the left, and here were monthly suppliers. Actually, I have two levels where there are buyers. One here and one right there. So let's put some context to this. Monthly buyers, 0. We'll say 556. Okay, and we're going to say monthly sellers, 0.755. And right above that, we'll say 0.789. Let's go down to the weekly chart. Just want to zoom out to the monthly again. And here was a nice level to get short. You have a pivot low, which was flipped, became a pivot high. Price came back and is reacting, or reacted. Alright, let's go down to the weekly chart. Potentially we have some buyers at the 0.578 level. We'll look at that on the daily when we get there. Here was a nice level that worked out as well. Okay. Don't see anything on the weekly below price. We'll look at this level, do that pivot, low, support, support, support. Let's go to the daily chart. We have a gap fill there. Let's look at the volume. It's okay. Go on the 4-hour chart and see if that is a viable level of demand. Right now it appears that price has just breached the short-term downtrend line. Let's go to the 4-hour chart to look at this level here. I'm not in love with the level. Not enough volume, like this candle here. Look to the left. Let's zoom back to the daily chart for a second. We'll leave it on, but I won't mark it as buyers. We have price approaching the 50-day simple moving average. Let's go back down to the 4-hour chart. If price broke this daily short-term trend line, downtrend line, we have momentum to the upside. We have price closing above these two pivot highs, but did not close above these two wicks. See how price pulled back after close. No trade set up yet. We need to see price close above this level here to potentially pull back to the 200-day simple moving average. To take it long, let's scroll back out. Yeah, so if we can breach this level here on the daily, ideally you want your target to be this level here, as that was a extended range red candle on strong volume. So no setup at the moment. I will report back during the week to see if there's any setups. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and please like the video.